Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lech flan whole egg, full guide. Start by assembling ingredients and measuring precisely to ensure consistent results. Freshness matters for flavor and texture. Prepare an 8-inch mold, plan steaming or water bath baking, and set a timer to avoid overcooking. Clean utensils and strain custard for a silky finish. Caramelize sugar slowly and pour carefully to prevent burns and uneven coverage before adding custard. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride. It pairs humorously with kitchen aromas. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start by melting fat and whisking in flour to make a roux, cooking until it smells toasty. Gradually whisk in warm broth to form a smooth sauce and prevent lumps from forming. Simmer gently, stirring occasionally until the gravy thickens and flavors meld. This usually takes a few minutes. Adjust thickness with more broth or simmering, and finish with salt, pepper, and a brightener like vinegar or soy sauce to enhance the rice pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.